Hey love, so today we're going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription where you get about 5 full-size products every single month. So if you want to check out Boxycharm, there's always an affiliate link down below. Again, it's an affiliate link, so totally up to you if you want to use it or not, but I will leave a link down below so you can let them know that I sent you. This is my favorite beauty box. That is why I continue to make these videos. I was so bummed I filmed this for the last month's box, which was awesome, but there was no sound at all. I don't know, I had a hole, so I don't know what happened. Crazy microphone. But yeah, so we're gonna just jump in and I'm gonna show you what I got in this month's Boxycharm. So this month's box is the vacation box. So I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out and we're gonna go over it. Well, the first thing on the list is the eyeshadow palette, so let me pull that out of here. So this is what the palette looks like. It does say on the back that it's cruelty-free, gluten-free, talc-free, and vegan-friendly. And then this is what the actual palette looks like. That looks really pretty, really pretty. I like there's some fun shades, some neutral shades. I will swatch a few. So it retails for $36. Oh, wow. That's like, it literally just butter. Those peachy shades are beautiful. So those are those. Let's swatch some of the darker ones. Some really pretty shades in that palette. I'd really like to do a look with that purple. Those tiny swatches down there. It was just like a one whoop, whoop swatch. They're pretty pigmented, pretty buttery, pretty nice. This is actually a really beautiful palette. This is one of the better palettes that I have seen in this subscription. It's gorgeous. There is a mascara from Butter London. This is the double decker mascara. So this guy retails for $20. It says get 200% thicker lashes in just one coat and a 314% increase in lash curl. The interlocking nylon fiber brush grasps each individual lash to lengthen, curl, and multiply lashes from root to tip. So let's check this guy out. This is a tube. Ooh, I like this kind of brush. So it does have like a very fibery, let me get really close, a fibery brush, as you guys can see, and those kind of really do kind of grasp your lashes. This is my favorite kind of brush. I don't really like plastic ones. I like when the bristles are close together like this guy is, so I'm definitely excited to try this. Again, it retails for 20 bucks, so that's cool. It's a full-size mascara. I am almost out of the current mascara that I'm using, and I've been looking for a new one. So, and I've definitely been wearing lashes a little less like in everyday life, given I wear them every time I film because I usually do a makeup tutorial and I feel like it's much more dramatic and put together. There are lashes, but in everyday, day-to-day life, I haven't really been wearing lashes every day, so I'm excited to try this guy. I'll try and let you guys know what I think. South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels. This retails for $10. So it has 3 eye gel packs, reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, moisturizes eye area. Ooh, I'm all about it. So there's 3 little packs just like this inside. Cleanse the eye area, apply this product under the eye, leave on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Use promptly after opening for best results. Use for 3 consecutive days. So that's cool. If you use them 3 days in a row, maybe it like makes the most difference instead of spacing it out. So next we have this little brush set. Okay, this is from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. I'm shaky, I'm sorry, Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Set. You get 3 brushes in there. This packaging's really cute. Oh, they are cute. Ooh, they're very soft. They even say step 1, step 2, step 3. So I guess there's some sort of like, oh, there's instructions in case you're into that. If you aren't sure what to do, this is really good for a beginner on how to do a smoky eye, I assume. Let me see what it says. This brush set trio will enable you to create a stunning smoky eye. So I don't really follow the rules on that. So I'm just gonna use these brushes because they're cute. And they feel really soft. So I'm not sure, but you can never have too many brushes in my opinion. I got a lot, but you can never have too many. All right, so this last thing, oh, this packaging is on point, on point. Look at this. I have been really wanting to try a product from Pretty Vulgar. I feel like their packaging is so cute. Their products look really cute. I feel like this is adorable. So I think it's called the Make Them Blush, but then it's Hush Blush is the shade, 18. So this guy retails for $26, so this is a rather pricey blush. I do feel like the packaging feels a little cheap for how expensive the blush is, but it's freaking adorable, so I don't even care. And really, I don't care. As long as it keeps the product in there, it keeps it safe, I'm down. It doesn't have to feel that luxurious. It's all about the product that's inside. Plus, I think that this packaging is adorable. This is a really pretty blush color too. This is one that I will definitely use. Make Them Blush Powder Blush awakens your complexion and provides a natural, glowy flush to your cheeks. The silky smooth formula is long-wearing and highly pigmented. The buildable blush powder can be worn alone or paired with a multi-dimensional pop of color that will flatter any complexion. So again, $26 for this blush. That's the shade. My hand's a little stained, so it's not the best representation, but ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. It kind of reminds me of the blush that I'm wearing a little bit, kind of peachy pink. Super cute. So definitely, probably most excited about this blush. I'm trying to wear blushes more often. You guys know that I'm not a huge blush person. I'm all about that contour highlight, get it and go life. Blush is like the thing I can live without usually, but I'm trying to use it more, and this color is just perfect. I really think this is beautiful. That's everything in the box. I'm really excited about probably mostly the blush and the mascara, but the palette's beautiful. The brush is beautiful. This is a really, really solid box this month. So let me find my phone, because as always, you know, we are going to add up this box and see what the retail value is. So the eyeshadow palette retails for $36, and then the mascara is $20. The under eye gels are $10. The brush set is $23.15, and the Make Them Blush by Pretty Vulgar is $26. So the retail value of this box is $115.15. We are going to minus $21 for the subscription amount. You get additional $94.15 in this box. That's good. That's not the best we've gotten. I've had boxes where it's been like almost $200 worth of product, but still, that is almost $100 worth of extra product. Plus, what I love about beauty boxes, you get to try brands you normally wouldn't try. Like, I wouldn't have probably picked up a mascara from Butter London because I just think of them more as, I haven't tried a lot of their beauty products besides their nail polish. So I think of them more as nail polish. I don't really think about it. And like, 'cause obviously that's how they started, but I get to try these products and like I don't think you can buy this palette, so you get something exclusive to the beauty box that you wouldn't be able to get somewhere else. And if I called it Purr again, I'm so sorry, girl. Pure Cosmetics. Anyway, I'm rambling. Again, there is that affiliate link down below if you guys want to check out Boxycharm and subscribe. Just let them know that I sent you. All right, loves. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it if you could. And let me know if you like unboxing videos, and please subscribe if you have not already. All right, loves, I think that's everything. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Okay. Wow. That's why I continue to make you these. I ran up the stairs, up and down the stairs. I need to do that more often, clearly. Okay, let's do this over. Wow. It says the retail price is $36. It says the interlocking nylon fiber brush scraps. This is a tube. This is like a tube. Okay, cool. I'm down. I got the puff. My whole face is puffy though. Or I'll tone it a bit. Blush while I talk about it. It says Make Them Blush powder. Even though I put so much makeup on. It's been forever on my makeup. But Purr's a purr. I always call it Purr. Dang it. Pure. Pure.